today we're talking about the 7 reasons why you need video in your business. And I'm looking forward to sharing this info with you because it's super good. Yay! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Holly G. I am your go-to video gal. And what I do is I empower online entrepreneurs to go from confused to confident on both sides of the camera. And I do this by teaching them the skills that they need to create not just videos, but what I like to call business cinema. And business cinema is the way that I like to describe the next level of video. Video with a plan, a purpose, a system, a strategy. Not creating video for the sake of creating video, all willy-nilly, but video that actually helps move your business forward. So 7 reasons why you need to be using video in your business if you aren't already, or if you're just getting back into it. Here's some more reasons to solidify why. They're like, we want video, we want video. Video isn't going anywhere. And all of the trends are pointing to the fact that your clients, your prospects want video from you. What that means is, like you can communicate more. Dr. McQueevy of Forrester Research says that watching a minute of video is equivalent to reading 1.8 million words. So you're able to express and to communicate more and communicate more effectively with video. So using video helps you communicate on another level. Using video helps solidify your brand and the message that you're trying to express across any platform that you're using video, and especially if you're using a custom intro that allows you to extend that branding even deeper into that content. So you can take a video and use it on Periscope. So I'm using this video on Periscope. I could also take a snip of it and put it on Instagram or whatever the case may be. You can repurpose video content on multiple platforms. So when you have video on your website, it improves the SEO. So it improves also the length of time that people spend on your site by watching the videos. It upgrades the look of your site if the video is done properly, and it just makes your website more sticky. So when you use the word video in your email title, it will boost open rates, 2 to 3 times more open rates. I have videos in almost all of the emails that I send out. I send an email out to my newsletter every Thursday. And I always encourage you to experiment and use, your own judgment and common sense when you're speaking to your audience on things like this. Because like I said, when I started this, video isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And if you aren't already creating video, guess who is? Your competition. And you really want to get ahead of the curve. I say competition, and I use that word loosely because I feel like with video, you have no competition, because you really set yourself apart from everybody else who's doing the same thing that you're doing, because they could never be you and you can't be them. And the person who is going to be attracted to me and my personality and my skill set and how I teach and all of these things is not necessarily going to be the same person that's attracted to somebody else who's doing the same thing. So it really helps set you apart. But it will prepare you for the future because, like I said, video's not going anywhere. It's only getting more prevalent. And if you aren't already using it, you should be using it. So those are the 7 things. I'm going to do a quick recap. 1, your clients want it. 2, you're able to create more content in less time. 3, it keeps your branding consistent. 4, you can repurpose and use your content on multiple channels and multiple platforms and for multiple purposes. Number 5, it improves the quality of your website. Number 6, it boosts your email marketing. And last but not least, it prepares you for the future. So those are the 7 reasons why you should be using video in your business. So I challenge you to get started. Start using video. If you have paused, to get back on your horse, which is your video horse. Or if you're already using video, this is like nothing for you. So go ahead and create another one. So create a video, tag me at Holly G Studios. Thanks for hanging out with me. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up. Bye.